Richard, Bajananu. You need to release my friend right now.
Sir, most respectfully, I beg to state that I have an urgent piece of work at home. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day only.
I'm not gonna listen to anything. I just want you to release my friend.
Pakistan sees you as a strategic ally, and this is all because of your Shabana Rose Mehnat.
Who's Shabana Rose? I don't know her.
Shabana Rose is not a name of a lady, although it sounds like name of a masoos, but it is not.
You need to do it.
क्रेडिट नाकाफी होने की वजह से आपकी कॉल मुनक़ती की जा रही है.
It's me who's calling.
बड़े भाई साहब is concerned about his health and safety. He wants him out also, but we cannot.
Do it.
You tell us, how shall we do it?
By doing it.
Please don't try to become our Abba. We cannot